Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, and thank you for your time. My name is Dimas Bratakusumah. Today I'd like to talk about a small project I built, but it solved a big problem. It's called application of prepared statement and overcoming SQL injection on websites. Basically, it's a login page, but with two versions, one that's unsafe, one that's secure. This application is built with PHP and MySQL or HTML and CSS. I made it to help beginners developers understand how SQL injection works and more importantly how to stop it. Now, what is SQL injection, how it triggers user to bypass login, and user data can be exposed or stolen. So SQL injection is a type of attack where someone enters something unusual like a trick into a login form to fool the system. For example, like this image. If I type or 1 equals 1 into the username, the system might be just let me in. That's what happens in the insecure version of my app. It doesn't check the input properly, so it shows a real user data even though I didn't log in correctly. To fix that, I made a second version using something called prepared statement. Instead of putting the user input directly into the query, I prepared the SQL with placeholders and added the values later. That way, the input is treated as just text, not as a part of comment. And it works. When I tried the same injection, the system stopped me. It said invalid username or password. Okay, here you can see the difference in the code. On the right, the insecure version using plain SQL with user input directly added. On the left, the secure version using prepared statement and binding data properly. Okay, I also ran some tests to check the performance. The secure version was this as a fast and definitely safer. I took a screenshot to show what happened in both cases. One show a table of users, that's bad. The other one show an error message, that's what we want. Like I told you before, it show invalid username or password. So what does this project show? Even we are just beginners, we can already build several apps or website. We don't need the fancy tools, just good habits, and writing SQL in one of them. So yeah, that's the main thing I learned here. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.